The theme for today's forum is to establish and strengthen existing pathways for women. I like this word pathway. I hear it a lot nowadays in government and in civil societies. A pathway has a destination. It has an end. We hope that end is about liberating you, young women, and empowering you as future leaders of our country. I also like the word or the phrase, existing pathways. And I do hope it refers to our Samoan ways of valuing our women. I say this because Samoan women have always been powerful. They have always been honored. They have always been venerated and valued. And how do we know this? In our language, the language of our forebears who taught us that women are sacred. They are covenants. Tamana, tamasa, o whiangainga. Somehow, we have forgotten that message in our language. Le whiau au tātou tua o tina matamaitai o tātou whiangainga taus. Jesus, he pointed out an injustice on women, but he also pointed out a pathway for their liberation. Love, compassion, kindness. Vai tau nei o le leni. Vai tau tātou te mawhau whawai i le whaatinonga o le alofa o le atua. O le alofa e sao loto ai so se tas. O le alofa e au fia ai tangata uma. Tane, tamaitai, alii, matua, laititi, mawalunga, pe mawalano. Ia manuia tele ne nei fontang. Manuia la o tō whatuwha inga. Ma la o tō whātō whala inga. Manuia tele tamaitai a onga whātasi mai nei pokalana. Ono Yesu. Amen.
Ia e manatu o le nei tae au. Lea ua mae a ona tō pule le inati mō manuau. A wā lea tua malona finangalo. E pei on saunoa iei le sunga taitai sauninga lau sunga Reverend Dr. Latu Latai. E taulawa ino o fia fono wha pi i le anganga le whaftai na fonga ina. E le fonga le aso. Whaftai tele tā pena, whaftai sauni. O le alawa ue tā pena whafine tō anga. Le tapua inga i le atua le nei tae au. A wale nei whamoe moe sa lupe. Ia sanga whamanuia le atua i lau sunga le whawhiangainga. O paia whalpea o Samoa wa ta oto ai o se lo. Ai taulawa ina o whaatulou iai. Manu nuu atu. Whaatapo mana ia. Paia mamamalu whaata o te oto nei tae au i tula toa le tunu. A wā o la lātou lea whatu ai ngā tausi. Ai talo whaatu i le mamalu maualunga o potopoto nei tae au. Mā lo le soifua. Mā lo le langi e mamā. Vi ia le atua sit esi. Ai o le a whaafuala lafo ias whaamatalanga. A wāl whaamoe moe au tua o le nei aso. Reverend Dr. Latu Latai, Ms. Ariane Stevenson, representative from the Australian High Commissioner Office for Samoa, Vice Chief Executive Officer of the Samoa Qualifications Authority, representative from our National University of Samoa, representative of the Ministry of Education and Culture, manager of NOLA, manager for the Tautua program, chief executive officers and commissioners of government agencies, APTC partners, teachers and students from various colleges and TVET providers, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Talofa lava, and a very good morning to you all. On behalf of the Government of Samoa, it is a privilege to deliver the keynote address for the APTC and partners celebration of International Women's Day this year. Today's forum focuses on the theme, Invest and Empower Women in Technical and Vocational Education and Training and Employment Opportunities. It reflects our collective commitment to invest in creating a Samoa where all women and girls are empowered, valued, and mainstreamed into TVET discussions. At the same time, exploring education and training opportunities and creating pathways into employment regardless of their socio-economic background. I commend the collaboration of APTC and the Samoan government agencies such as the Electric Power Corporation, Samoa Water Authority, Land Transport Authority, Samoa Police, Prisons and Correction Services, and the Samoa Fire and Emergency Services Authority in initiating this platform to invest and encourage the younger generation of females in TVET. Samoa's long-standing relationship with the Australian government encompasses ongoing educational development to improve the quality of learning to ensure our students gain new skills and knowledge to access new opportunities and increase their employability and contribute to the national development. APTC's diverse courses, micro-credentials, and training programs have opened doors for our Samoan women. These programs have equipped them with valuable skills, enabling them to enter the traditional male-dominated trade fields. We have witnessed them entering these fields and to rising to leadership position. This is a testament to the power of education and the potential that lies within every one of us, regardless of gender. We acknowledged APTC and its commitment to gender equity and inclusivity in TVET. Their collaborative spirit with our local institutions such as the Samoa Qualifications Authority and the National University of Samoa has been instrumental in elevating the quality of Samoa's qualifications. This, in turn, directly addresses the needs of our local sectors and industries, preparing our workforce for success. The enhanced skills and qualifications gained through APTC empower our people for labor mobility. They are now equipped to compete for jobs in overseas markets, particularly in high-demand fields. This not only benefits individuals and families, but also contributes to Samoa's overall economic development. We, the Government of Samoa, wholeheartedly thanks the Australian government and the support and valuable contribution of APTC to our nation's progress. Ladies and gentlemen, we must acknowledge that TVET is sometimes seen as less prestigious than traditional university education. This perception needs to change. Today's forum serves as a perfect platform to raise awareness about the incredible benefits of TVET. TVET is a core pillar of our education sector plan. TVET programs equips our people, particularly our youth and those who may have left school early, with the practical skills they need to succeed. By fostering a skilled workforce, we directly address the challenge of unemployment and unlock the potential for increased national productivity. Partnerships like the one we share with APTC are instrumental in providing Samoans with high-quality TVET opportunities. Through these collaborations, we empower our people, especially women, to enter and excel in traditional male-dominated fields. To the female students attending this forum, I urge you to seize the opportunity and actively engage in discussions, knowledge sharings, exchanging ideas, and network with the presenters and APTC and its partners. Your learning and experiences here today will contribute to shaping your future careers with having TVET as a promising career choice. This will foster and shape the future of Samoa for you and those yet to follow. Therefore, I wish you a fruitful and successful forum, and most of all, Happy International Women's Day. Soifua Maia Manuia.